The role of RAM memory in today's generation of PCs is significant for both stability and performance, and many tend to relativize the importance of one of the most basic components. RAM memory has become more important with the launch of the new generation of multi-core CPUs. The more cores your processor has, the more important is the need to use a faster memory on your computer. This is quite noticeable on the latest generation of AMD Ryzen 3000 CPU series, which has a separate memory controller for the Infinity Fabric bus, so it supports operation at much higher operating frequencies with RAM than it did with previous generation of CPUs. The immense popularity of the AMD Ryzen 3000 processor series has led all of the leading RAM manufacturers to include specialized modules in their offerings, optimized for AMD X470 and X570 platform. Today, we present you one of these RAM options in the form of G.Skill Trident Z NEO 3600CL16 16GB memory kits that are configured in dual channel mode using two existing 8GB memory modules each. G.Skill is one of the current most popular and preferred brands in the world of RAM, due to the fact that the last couple of years it had the highest performance product in its range. Certainly, the most famous in the series are the Tridet Z models, which were among the first to bring the advanced RGB light effects and combine that with top performance. Considering the features of the Zen 2 architecture and the fact that they deliver best results working with a memory at 3600 MHz, Tridet Z NEO comes with a working profile tuned to allow operation at a frequency of 3600 MHz with CL16 delay factors. This makes the memory ready to boost your performance of your AMD Ryzen platform to its maximal level. In addition to performance, the Tridet Z NEO is also noticeable for its exceptionally attractive cooler appearance that combines black brushed aluminum with silver surfaces. The RGB light bar with 8 addressable LEDs houses in a milky white diffuser that translates the effect into pleasing shades of light and works really beautiful and quite appealing. Light effects are controlled from the dedicated G.Skill application, but they also support motherboard light control programs for all of the leading manufacturers, such as Gigabyte, RGB Fusion, MSI Mystic Light, and so on. However, what we're most interested is the performance. The G.Skill Trident Z NEO modules are manufactured in 10-layer technology, which guarantees better signal quality and integrity, making it easier to achieve high operating frequencies and low latency values in response to the requested data. The second dimension of quality and performance of these modules is refracted by the fact the memory chips are manually binned to achieve absolute stability at declared overclocked operating frequencies. To simply put it, top quality workmanship that maximizes the performance. Factory-loaded XMP profiles support the following parameters. Everything we said earlier about these RAMs sound almost perfect, but how does it really look like in real use in everyday applications and games? When you compare the performance of the Tridet Z NEO memory with some of the cheaper modules at 2666 MHz, the situation is following. The Tridet Z NEO 3600 has shown performance gains in applications that take advantage of faster system data transfer, such as archiving programs that record up to 17% better performance. Applications for creating more demanding content, such as video editing, 3D rendering scenes do not feel an overwhelming benefit by recording up to 2.5% acceleration, while Windows 10 registers gain up to 25% in system environment. And some system utilities, such as RAM disk application, give a speed of 20%. In terms of gaming performance, the acceleration ranges between 5 to 10%. It may sound small at first glance, but if you convert it to a frame rate, it means that a game like Gears 5, which averages 60 frames per second, you get 6 more as a result of using faster RAM. Far Cry 5 is similar, resulting in 7 additional frames with an average frame rate of 100 frames per second, all in Full HD. In addition to working on the values of the loaded profile, which is actually the optimally affected value since the memory controller is set to operate at 1800 MHz and where the FCLK is equal to the optimal 1800 MHz, we also try to measure the impact of further reduction of primary latency factors. This procedure presupposes an additional voltage rise to 1.4 volts. However, we were not able to reduce the delay factor to CL14. It was an ambitious attempt because it is obvious that the built-in SK Hynix chips did not reach such low latency values at high operating frequencies at 3600 MHz. We were able to achieve such low delay rates at 3200 MHz, but with all the reduction penalties it carries with lower clock speeds. We also tried raising the operating frequencies with identical latency factors and achieving a maximum of stable 4000 MHz at a voltage of 1.42 volts. However, we had to introduce additional dividers in operation with the controller, so effectively the memory benefits only in applications that are depending to a higher data transfer value and at the same time not depend on response speed. The achieved frequencies allow for a 5% performance gain in data archiving applications, while demanding content creation applications they're pretty equal, and crashes occur in some utility programs such as RAM disk. The Windows 10 system environment simply adores memory at the higher frequencies, and in this particular case honors 3.5% of the gain. The gaming scenario does not like the slowdown in communication with the RAM, so the backlog is between 3 to 9%. Those who want even more and faster have more expensive Trident Royal modules at their disposal, but G.Skill Trident Z NEO 3600 CL16 will offer most users optimum performance for the money invested. G.Skill Trident Z NEO 3600 CL16 is a dazzling, beautiful, and attractive RAM that will definitely be a prize jewel on your configuration. It wins you over with its RGB light effects, and it's a great choice to own if you have a transparent panel on your computer case. In addition to being beautiful, it captures great performance and quality workmanship. It is also not very expensive because it's worth 134 euros, which is pretty average in this category. It proved to be flawless in use and once again proved why G.Skill Trident Z memories are so desirable. This is why we would definitely recommend buying them. Thank you once again for watching a bench house review of G.Skill Trident Z NEO RAM memory. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tech reviews and also leave a like and a comment below. See you next time!